Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamai Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back. I really do appreciate it. Hi to my RBD fans out there. Thank you guys so much for the likes, comments, and the recommendation to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. So, someone recommended me to react to Keep It Down Low RBD. So, I believe this is only the audio version. I have not found or find a live performance to this video, but this is Keep It Down Low. I believe this is the English version because the person said English, so I'm reacting to the English version. So let's get ready to this crap. Let's all listen together. It do sounds like they had live instruments in the studio. Love that cover. Oh, Alfonso.
Find you standing there, telling me you're sorry. A lonely tear rolling down your face.
You hold me, then time stops. I struggle to kiss you, and you just take my breath away.
Just hold on for a second, my love. Just to tell me this whole thing is wrong. Won't you please just keep it down low? Spare me 5 minutes. I wanna feel your sweet and soft touch all over me. And this kiss will last forever. We're both off limits as we wrap it up with both know that the end is just right here.
Okay. Cute, cute, cute.
Right here. Oh.
I'm feeling too scared now, just trying to understand why this love couldn't be crystal clear.
Your embrace feels so freezing, demanding sweet kissing. Is it fair? 'Cause I just can't breathe. Just hold on for a second, my love. Just to tell me this whole thing is wrong. Won't you please just keep it down low?
Oop. Sorry, I had to pause it. Someone called me. My person who did my taxes apparently. I'm gonna leave that on a personal matter. So let me start back the rest of this video. So sorry.
Spare me 5 minutes. I wanna feel your sweet and soft
I'm drinking water.
over me. And this kiss will last forever. We're both off limits as we wrap it up with both know that the end is just right here. Please hold my hand, love. My breath won't come back again. Say that you love me, that you're not the one to blame. At least for just 1 second, I believe your words are true, love. Could you please just keep it down low?
Yes.
I wanna feel your sweet and soft touch. Well, this kiss will last forever as we wrap it up with both know that the end is just right here. Spare me 5 minutes. I wanna feel your sweet and soft touch all over me.
I need to order the show Rebelde, and I need to see. I did my research on the show. It looked like 90210. Drama and feeling. Okay, keep it on low. Okay. 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 It's a very cute song. Keep it down low. Very cute song. I'm drinking water. For all the kids out there, I'm drinking water. For all the adults, happy hour. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to RBD Keep It Down Low audio. English version, I really do like it. It's very good, very soothing, like keep it down low. When I say keep it down low, you know, in my head for all the kids, I was thinking about maybe, you know, keep the energy down for all the adults out there. Bedroom talk, that's what I was thinking. But I really do like it. It's very cute. I need to add this to my Tidal account track collection. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. It's always looking at you besides you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.